Well, folks, Chuck here, Why Not Wander. It is Friday morning, November 26th. No, it's Monday morning, November 26th. Week 2, day 6 of the knee ordeal. Elite Physical Therapy and Wellness is where we're coming for my physical therapy appointment this morning. Got a 10:30 appointment. It's not quite 10:30 now. I was just going to show you a little lead in. Show me getting out of the truck. I found out, boy, look at that bruise on my back of my thigh. Kind of purple and yellow. But anyway, I have found out that if I put my good leg out first, then kind of jockey around, this is actually easier now that I can hold that leg up a little bit by itself. It's still pretty weak, and I don't think I can catch myself if it starts to go out from under me, but I'm able to use it somewhat. Miss Linda has my walker for me here, so just wanted to show you the progress on that. It's the first time I've been able to get in and out that way. Got up this morning, had a nice shower, had a bowl of oatmeal. Now it's time to go in and get loosened up. Be a little careful on the ice and snow here. Snow a couple days ago, almost gone again. Oh, thank you. Here we are. So I'm here with Nick. He's feeling my kneecap. He does exercises to help the mobility of my patella, or kneecap. Got quite a bruise on the leg there this morning.
Did you show everybody your...
Yeah, I didn't.
So that's a new development that was not there Friday, but it is today, which is...
Things just starting to get worked out of my body, slow but sure.
Check your motion real quick here.
Okay. Yeah, I found that bruise this morning when I was in the shower.
Brought you out of there. So right there, you're lacking about 8 degrees.
Lacking 8 from being straight?
Yep, which I think is down from Friday.
I don't remember what it was Friday, but
Lacking about
it
10.
seems to me as if it's straightening out quite a bit faster than the other one did. But I don't really remember that well, what was what.
Bend for me. Getting any sleep?
Oh, I've been sleeping quite a bit, really.
So what other movies have you made? Or I guess
Oh, I do a
films?
lot of stuff about motorcycle trips and fix-it stuff on the RV, places we go, things we see.
Okay.
I got a couple hundred videos posted. Just a wide variety. Our life as full-time RVers, basically. Sometimes we're doing something interesting, I'll videotape it and put it on there. Just, sometimes people think it's interesting.
Now, do you do a lot of editing as well, or?
I do edit as I go, yeah. It usually takes me a couple hours to edit like a 20-minute video. I try and keep them down under 20 minutes. I know I get bored if I'm watching something too long, unless it's like a how did I fix this or what did I do about that kind of thing. Sometimes they'll go longer.
So how long are you expecting, this process, or are you making small videos?
Oh, daily. Yeah, I'm putting up just a little daily. Because, there was a couple times I tried to do something over a period of time and it just takes forever. I lose interest.
Sure.
So
are you putting these up right now?
Yeah. Well, no, it doesn't upload it. I'm not sure what you mean by right now.
So I mean, like,
I uploaded the one we did the other day.
did you?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. So I'll have to search for For Charles
Why
or
Not
Chuck?
Wander?
Why not wander?
Wynot Wanders. WYNOT WANDER, one word or two on YouTube. And usually after I post them to YouTube, I'll post a link on our Facebook page.
Okay.
Why Not Wander as well. But, you know, there's nothing astounding, and I'm never going to be famous. It's kind of a way we share with family and friends.
Well, sure.
And we gain other people here and there, various things people find interesting sometimes.
Is that an okay stretch?
Yeah. Actually, we started all that a couple years ago. We were getting ready to go to Daytona Bike Week, and I can't remember how the subject came up exactly, but the manager at the Harley shop in North Platte said, "Now you just need a GoPro and just post all your adventures." We started with that. Didn't have much of a video for it. Of course, I didn't know what I was doing either. Okay, thank you. I can't tell where it's pointed.
My brother has a GoPro, and he took it on their honeymoon and stuff. And so they got some pretty cool pictures. They took.
Yeah.
They went to, were they? Is it the parasailing where they do it
Uh-huh.
behind the boat? So he took it up there.
That'd be cool.
Yeah. Can this go underwater?
It can.
Yeah.
Not. It has a case it has to go in.
So Stefan's is waterproof. And so
Some of the newer ones are. I'm not sure which ones.
We were up in Montana for a wedding, and up by one of the spring lakes. He put his GoPro down in the water. And then you see all the fish.
Yeah, there's some
away,
pretty
and
cool
then they come
stuff.
swim right back up to it.
Actually, we were trying to do an alligator last year down in Florida. I had it on a long stick with the waterproof housing on, and that alligator ended up snapping at the camera. Which, that's going to be cool. But yeah, it got wet and couldn't really see anything, and it didn't work out. Sometimes they do, sometimes they don't. But I put up quite a bit of stuff from Sturgis last year while we were up there, the places we went, the rides we took.
It's moving good, Chuck.
It's feeling pretty good.
See what your bend is real quick. So how far can you bend it by yourself? So
Up.
Yep.
Right there. It's like I lose leverage on it.
So there's 80. Okay, let me help you.
Okay.
85.
I think that's about it.
Okay, good job.
Well, that's good. I don't remember where we were at this point last time, but I do feel as if this is much easier. And again, I think I mentioned the other day, probably because we were really working this leg while the other one was recovering. So now I'm laying in bed. It's best not to wear those compression stockings, right?
Correct.
It just seems to me like yesterday morning I woke up really, really swollen, puffy.
Did you? So what do you do to take care of that? Does it
Nothing,
get better as you get up
nothing.
and move around?
Put more ice on it. Got up, walked a little bit, moved around.
So compression, elevation, and then muscle activation is going to help.
But, well, and, you know, I worked on pumping my ankle a lot too. It just seemed like I had a little extra pain because my skin was full and couldn't stretch.
Yes, absolutely. This is going to go underneath. Let that bend. You okay with that?
Yep.
Okay, kick. And back down. Just repeat that. Squeeze this muscle right here on top.
If it's not squeezed, I can't. I mean, it feels like it's squeezed raising up, but
yep,
it's not.
Yeah, you're doing fine.
Okay. Okay, that's really starting to hurt.
Okay, go ahead and stop.
Okay.
Let it rest. And pain in the, like in your skin and the incision, or pain kind of
right in the joint.
Okay.
That may be a difference. It doesn't seem to me like I'm getting near the pain from the incision I did last time. But, you know, you probably have to experience both at the same time to realize.
What's your Facebook page again?
Wynot? Okay, it's YouTube. It's Wynot Wander. 2 words. W-Y-N-O-T.
Don't you usually put it up on Facebook though?
I do link it to Facebook. Yeah, it would. Yeah. Good point. I don't get all of everything on the Facebook page, but I have so far for this.
How do you spell
But it's W-Y-N-O-T W-A-N-D-E-R. And I believe 1 word or 2 will find it.
How do you spell wander?
W-A-N-D-E-R. It's kind of like we wander around. Why not wander with us?
Cool. Yeah, the one from physical therapy number 5 was a.
Oh, you found out?
Yep, it's a 25-minute video. All right, I'm gonna have to sit up on the edge here, Chuck.
Okay.
Yep. Oh, you just sit at the edge of the
Down
bed.
to the end?
Yep. I just want to let it hang. How's the, is that melting off over there on the side of the building?
Yeah, it is.
That north side of the building.
It's not too bad.
It's tough in the wintertime.
Well, I'm sure it never gets any sunlight.
No. All right, how you feel just letting it hang?
Good.
There you
Not
go.
bad at all.
Good.
The staple's shining in the sunlight.
Yes. All right, kick. Then back down. How's that?
Fine.
Is that more comfortable than laying down?
Yes.
Your video of the face too. See how?
See if I'm grimacing.
Uh-huh. 2 more. Good. I'm gonna have you stand and we're gonna do some stuff walking. So.
Okay. Yeah.
I'm gonna.
Sometimes I get good stuff, sometimes I don't.
All right.
Where am I going? Just across the room here?
Just make sure you can see.
Sure I can't do what?
You don't need shielding the.
Oh, okay.
All right, come back with me, Jeff.
That's not very much.
I did. I put it down a notch because I felt like I was just all hunched up. Okay, so I'm all done with physical therapy. It started getting busy in there, so we shut the camera off just so we weren't filming a bunch of people that might not want. But I was going to have Linda film me getting in and out here. I'm doing it the different way now. Did you notice earlier?
I did not.
If I come up, I can lift this leg now.
Oh, right on.
So if I get it up there and then kind of work this one, because I was having a hard time bending my knee far enough to get in here, this is just so much easier now that I can lift my leg.
Right.
So
It's quite a bruise you have there on your leg.
it is quite a bruise, yeah. Sign of progress, I guess.
Yep.
Thank you.